Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be showing you a few pieces that we just picked up, and these are a lot of Seiko, Citizens, Bulova, Caravels, maybe some Pulsar and Lorus, so mainly Japanese watches because these sell very well and fast for us. All of these watches will be listed on our website, vintageradar.com. So if you see something that you like, make sure to check the link in the description below. So guys, let's have a look. This is a very cool Seiko, as you can see, SQ100. So a quartz watch. It has here on the back the exact model. So 5H227A70. It has the original bracelet, but as you can see, it is missing a pin, or it is a little bit broken. We'll have to see that, but nonetheless a very nice piece. Here we have a Citizen quartz watch. I can see that the crown comes off on this watch, so most likely in not working condition, but we sell a lot of watches for parts. It comes with this cuff bracelet. We'll see if we can repair that watch. Here we have a Caravel by Bulova, a very nice ladies piece. As you can see, it is missing the small stones that were here on the case, and also a few from the bracelet, but nonetheless a very nice and elegant piece. Here we have a Seiko with the square case and a very nice dial. You can see those rainbow reflections. It has the original bracelet, very nice and cool piece. It has the quartz movement, and as you can see, it also has a seconds hand. Here on the back you can also see the model, so V4015839. Moving along, here we have a Citizen quartz watch. It has a very scratched crystal, but we can easily replace that. Here it has a small pin or something on the bracelet. As you can see, it says Acility. Most likely these watches were made for a certain brand, or maybe in partnership with someone. We'll have to look that up. Here we have a very nice Seiko watch with the original bracelet, as you can see, and it has a very dark black dial with 4 dots right here. I don't know if that is how the crystal is held in place. As you can see, it is glass. Very nice piece, elegant, most likely from the 80s or 90s. Moving along, here we have a Pulsar watch. As I mentioned before, guys, these watches are actually made by Seiko, so they have Japanese movements. Here on the right we have a TFX, which is actually made by Bulova. I believe it still has the sticker on. Yes, I believe so. As you can see, a few stickers here. So most likely this was a new watch. It needs a little bit of cleaning, maybe even a new bracelet or watch strap, but we will see. Moving forward, here we have another Pulsar watch. As you can see, very good condition. The watch crystal is immaculate, and also the watch strap is in very good condition. Just a little bit of cleaning, and I believe the watch will be good to go. Here we have another Caravel by Bulova. Very nice and elegant piece with the two-tone bracelet, as well as the case, all the details, the bezel, even the watch dial. As you can see, it is silver tone with all the gold tone accents. Here at 3 o'clock we have the date window, and I believe most likely this is the original strap, not signed. Let's see this one. This is another Citizen, very nice 90s piece. It does not have the strap, but that is very easy to fix, and also it will need a polish. So if you want to see how we actually restore these watches, we will post a video about that one as well, so make sure to subscribe. Here we have another Citizen, so another Citizen quartz, very nice piece once again. I'm not quite sure if it used to have a second hand or not, but we will look here on the back as well, the model. Let's see this one. This is a very elegant piece. So this is also very heavy, most likely even the heaviest of all of these ladies' watches. Citizen, as you can see, Citizen Elegance. So very nice and elegant piece, just as the name says. There are a few signs of aging, but nonetheless, these do not feel when you rub your hand or your finger around it. So that means it will not hurt the person that actually wears the watch. Here we have another Seiko, but this one has a very cool and unique bracelet. Once again, the original one. Here on the back as well, the exact movement. Really like this piece. I hope it works. Here we have a Pulsar watch. It seems to be mechanical. As you can see, it has 17 joules. It doesn't seem to run at this point. It is fully winded, but we'll check it out. Here we have a very beautiful piece. As you can see, this is a Caravel by Bulova with the blue dial, and also it will need a new crystal, but other than that, the watch looks very, very good. Here we have another Pulsar, very nice piece, the quartz movement, and we have the screw down back. This means you will use a wrench in order to open it. Very bad watch strap, will need a new one. Here we have a Lorus. As mentioned before, this is made by Seiko. It has this crystal and also this gold tone inner circle that gives it a very elegant look. It has this extra link, so if you want to make the bracelet smaller, you can actually take it off and it will fit smaller wrists. And I believe this is the last one, or we still have the Citizen on the right. Here we have a Lorus ladies watch with this very, very cool, interesting bracelet with these 3 or 2 circles united and a third that actually holds them together. Here on the back, Lorus. And we still have this one, which is actually a Pulsar, not a Citizen. Very nice watch. The date window, I don't know if it is working or not. Let's go a little 24 hours and see. No, it doesn't seem to work. So we'll have to have a look at that. Very nice original bracelet. This is once again a very heavy watch because this is actually stainless steel, and as you can see, the watch is maybe from the early 2000s or 90s, and this is in great condition. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and you like these vintage watches. Maybe you want to purchase one of them. You can go to vintageradar.com, link in the description below. Also, we will be posting some videos with how we test the watches, how we restore them, clean the bracelet, replace the watch crystals, and we actually enjoy restoring these watches because they are very cool, very elegant, retro, vintage, and they deserve a second chance. So guys, that was the video. Once again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, guys, all the best.